Good. The pizza tastes good. The pizza tastes good. Bad. That movie was really bad. That movie was really bad. Big. The elephant is big. The elephant is big. Small. The mouse is small. The mouse is small. New. I just bought a new car. I just bought a new car. Old. This building is very old. This building is very old. Young. She's a young doctor. She's a young doctor. She's a young doctor. Happy. He's always happy to see me. He's always happy to see me. Sad. The news made me feel sad. The news made me feel sad. Hot. The coffee is too hot to drink. The coffee is too hot to drink. Cold. The water in the pool is cold. The water in the pool is cold. The water in the pool is cold. Beautiful. The sunset is beautiful. The sunset is beautiful. Ugly. That painting is really ugly. That painting is really ugly. Expensive. That car is too expensive for me. That car is too expensive for me. Cheap. This shirt was very cheap. This shirt was very cheap. Clean. The kitchen is clean. The kitchen is clean. Dirty. Dirty. The floor is dirty. The floor is dirty. Fast. The car is going fast. The car is going fast. Slow. Slow. This elevator is so slow. This elevator is so slow. This elevator is so slow. Easy. Easy. This question is easy to answer. This question is easy to answer.